Hi everyone, my name is Mary Flahive and I will be your instructor for the Marketing Communication Strategies and Outreach class, IHP 510. I'm looking forward to getting to know each of you. I'm looking forward to our discussions as well as the assignments. I just wanted to reach out and say hello personally because sometimes I know when you take an online course, it kind of feels like, who's the wizard behind the curtain? And I want you to know that there actually is a person behind the curtain. And so it's me, and I'm real. A little bit about myself. I am a nurse by trade. I have been a professor for higher education, so bachelor's and master's programs since 2011. I teach at a couple of different universities. My favorite, of course, is Southern New Hampshire. By day, I am a director and an administrator for some healthcare corporations throughout the country. So when we talk about communication strategies and marketing for healthcare, it is something that I do on a daily basis, as I'm sure all of you do. So this is a difficult course. There's a lot of work. There's a lot of requirements in this course. Know that I'm here to help you in any way that I can. I'm happy to take your phone calls. I'm happy for you to text me, to email me. That's the best way to get a hold of me. Sometimes if you ask a question within the course, I may or may not see it simply because, I'm so anxious to get into the course and see what you guys, see what what we're talking about and what our discussions are saying. There's a lot in this course that deals with traditional marketing, healthcare marketing in particular. Like I said, it is a lot of work, so I am happy to help you out in any way that I can. I am online daily. I'm not daily in Brightspace, however. I will be in Brightspace most days of the week, but I'm not there daily. I am online daily, though, and I check my email multiple times a day. Again, with this welcoming message, I will also have all of my demographic information for you guys. So my phone number, my email, all of that good stuff. In the meantime, welcome. I'm very, very happy to be starting this journey with you. It'll be 10 weeks. And it'll be an enjoyable 10 weeks. It'll be a difficult 10 weeks, but you guys, I promise, will learn a great deal. So welcome again. My name's Mary. Please refer to me as Mary. I think that makes it a lot more conducive to conversation between each other if we address each other with our names. Hi Mary, thank you for your post, blah blah blah. So anyway, welcome. I will see you guys in the classroom. Bye bye.